Hello everyone, with your programs in this video we create add post screen and get media files. Now we connect packages, shared preferences, photo manager, FreeZ annotation, FreeZ and build runner. Open PubSpec YAML, add packages. Then we open Android, app, CRC, main and open Android manifest. Add permission Android and open iOS, runner, infoplist and add permission iOS. Now we open lib, data, service and create shared preferences service. Add file, write shared .dart, write class, then you write late, write final, add shared preferences, write prefs, then we add initialize, write future, write void, write initialize, write async, add prefs, write await, write shared preferences dot get instance, write get it dot I dot register singleton, add prefs. Next we add set string, write future or, write void, write set string, write required, write string key, write required string value, write async, write await prefs dot set string. Next we add set bool, write future, write bool, write set bool, write required string key, write required bool value, write async, write return prefs dot set bool, save. Then we add get string, write string, get string, write required, write string key, write return, add prefs dot get string, save. Then we add get bool, write bool, write get bool required, write string key, return prefs dot get bool, save. Next we add clear, write future, write bool, write clear, write async, return prefs clear, then we add contains key, write bool, write required string key, write return prefs dot contains key, and we add remove, write future, write bool, write remove, write required string key, write async, write return await prefs dot remove, and save. Now we open services bootstrapper, add register singleton, and we add shared preferences service, and we add shared preferences service to index.dart, save, open services bootstrapper, then you write await, write get it dot get, add shared preferences service dot initialize, save, and now we open Firebase service, update sign-in, open models, then we add login, add index.dart, then we add login response .dart, write class, add login response, write final, add login status, add status, then we write final, add user credential, add user credential, then we add login response, write required this status, write this dot user credential, save, then we open index.dart, write login, add login response, open domain models, add folder login, add login data model.dart, write class, right final, and we add login status, add status, then we add user credential, add login data model, write required, this dot status, write this dot user credential, save, open index.dart, write export, write login, add login data model, next we open Firebase service and we write login response, write final, result, write if, result, user, add uid dot isNullEmpty, write false, write return, add login response, add login status dot successful, add user credential, add result, write else, write fileet, remove user credential, save. Now we open repository, open Firebase repository, write login data model, write final, write result, write return, add login data model, status we write result dot status, add user credential, write result dot user credential, save. Now we open login bloc, update information, add status, then we write final, add shared preferences service, write this dot preferences service, save, open blocks bootstrapper, write get it, get, add shared preferences service, save. Now we write await, preferences service dot set string key. Now we add shared preferences keys. We open view, core, constants, and we add file shared pref keys dot dart, write class shared pref keys, write const, write static, const, write string, write user UID, and write user UID, then write static, write const, string, write is authorizate, write is authorizate, save, open index.dart, export, now we open login block, write shared pref keys dot user UID, write value result dot user credential dot user dot UID, then you write await preferences service dot set bool key, we add shared pref keys is authorizate, value write true, and we add false, and now we open view and we add post screen, write add post screen dot dart, write class, write extends, write status widget, add build, add constructor, write return, add scaffold, save. Then we open index.dart, write export, write add post, add post screen .dart. Then we open navigation, open bottom navigation bar screen, update this file, write final, write map, write data, then we write required this dot data, and we add init state, add selected index, write widget dot data, write index, save. Then we open view auth login screen, add data. Then we open route generator, update this file, add init route, Then we add bottom navigation bar. Add import, add data, and we add arguments, write settings, dot arguments, check not null, write settings dot arguments as map, save. Next we add post, add post screen, save. Now we create enum, open data, models, enum, and create type post. Add type post dot dart. Write enum, write type post, write publication and history. Then we open index.dart, add type post, and we create block, add post, then we create add post block.dart, write add post event.dart, and we add post state.dart. Write class add post block, and we add part add post block freeZ. In this video we use code generation file add post block freeZ.dart, and we write extends, write block, write add post event, write add post state, write add post block, then you write super. Now we open add post event, write class add post event, write with, write add post event, write freeze it, and we write part of add post bloc.dart, and we write part add post event.dart, import bloc. Now we add import freeze annotation. Then we write class add post state with write add post state add part of add post bloc.dart, write freeze it, open add post bloc, write part, write add post state.dart, save. Now we open add post event and we add events, write const, write factory, add post event, write uploading data, write uploading data, add post event, next select media file, select media file, and we write required this dot, and we write required int selected index, next we add change type post, add type post, and we add visible type post. Write bool, write is visible type post. Next we add post state, write const, add factory, write add post state, write init, add post state, then we write loading, add error, and we add preload data. Write required, write list, write asset entity, write media, and we add import. Next we write required, write list, Wind8 list, write media bytes, write required, write asset entity, write selected media, write required, add Wind8 list, write selected media bytes, then we write required, write type post, write type post, write required, bool is visible type post, and we write const, write up post, and we write const add post state init, and now we generate file add post block freez. We write on add post event, add event and emit, write event dot map, and then you write future void and we add event uploading data info, write future, write void write async, add uploading data add post event, write event, then we add emitter, add post state, write emit, write emit, add post state loading, then you write final, write permission, write await, add photo manager dot request permission extend, then write if, write else, we write permission dot is auth, write final, write list, add acquainted list, write list, write final, albums, write await, add photo manager dot get asset path list, write type request type all, then you write final, write resend, albums dot first, write final, write media, write await, resend dot get asset list paged 0 size 100, then we add 4, write int I0 I, write media length, write list, add, write await, write media I dot thumbnail data, write acquainted list, save, write emit, write add post preload data, add list, first, list dot first, then type post, write type post dot publication, is visible type post, write true, else emit add post state error, and we add check if media is now empty, else we get error. Save, write event, write event, write emit. Next we add select media file, write event, then we add change type post, update name, write event, and we add visible type post. Write event, save, and we add index.dart, write export, write export, add post, write index, and we add post to blocks bootstrapper. Next we open main.dart, add post block, open splash screen, update splash screen, write final is authorized, write get it dot I get, write shared preferences service, write get bool, shared pref keys is authorized, write if, write false, navigation, route generator, and copy bottom navigation bar. Save, open bottom navigation bar, and we add information if update value write index, index 2 we use navigate, right, navigator, push replacement name, right, add post, and we add event, right, context dot read, right, add post block, right, add post event, uploading data, save, hot restart, and now we remove is authorized, save, hot restart, remove clear, we use test version, right, art programs, gmail.com, password, login, hot restart, okay, now we open add post screen and update this file, and we add with, right, final, right, with, right, media query of context, size, width, then you write block builder, right, add post block, and we add post state, right, return, right, state dot maybe map, return, right, sized box, add preload data, and we add init state, return, add stack, right alignment, dot bottom right, add children, then we add widget scaffold, add background, add color manager black, then we add body, add notification listener, add scroll notification, Then we add custom scroll view, add slivers, and then we add on notification, right scroll notification, and we add information, add import developer, we add event visible type post, false and true, and we add sliver up bar, next we add select image, then we add grid images, add context, add init state media bytes, then init state media, and we add init state select media, save. Next, write if write init state is visible type post, we add visible type post. Add import, and we add visible type post, add context, write with, add init state dot type post, save. Loading, we write return, add widget center, add child, add circular progress indicator, color manager white, and save. Now we select hot restart, new publication. That's all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.